Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable download and share videos on your TikTok account. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the app, and after opening the app just click on the profile button. I'm already on profile section. So after this just click on this three dot, click here, and now you just have to click on privacy and settings. And here you will find multiple options, so don't be confused, just go to the privacy settings and that's it. You have to just bit a scroll and you can see the option here is download. So by default it's already on, so when you download the TikTok app and log in your this account, so it will by default is video download is on. So if you want to disable the video download and sharing option on this platform to other platforms, so just have to turn off this video download option. So I'm going to click here, so it will turn off. Now nobody can download videos from your profile. So this is how you can disable download and share video option on your TikTok account. So this is the video and this is a very simple process. So hope you find this video very helpful. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.